Hey guys, how you are doing today? Today I'm gonna share with you how to hide WhatsApp chats. So let's see. Go to your WhatsApp first. Choose the person or the group you want to hide. See, I'm hiding this one, Grammarly J. You have to click and hold on this person. You have to click now on the archive button above. This one, archive. Your chat is hidden. You cannot find it here. If you want to see your hidden chats, you have to go archived. Click on this archived above. You can see all of your hidden chats here. If you want to get it back again, you have to click and hold again like this and click on the archive above. Your chat is get back here. See, this is how you can hide and unhide chats in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching the video.